Hey everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to take you through the combination modes of your Panasonic Slimline air fry microwave. We've got the CD58 model here. Combi modes are going to be identical if you've got a CT model, so don't worry about that. We'll have a look through the combination modes themselves first. So what we want to do is press the combination button on the control panel. And the first option we're going to get there is a microwave and convection combination mode. So just to explain a little bit about what we mean when we say combination modes, is that takes the power from two different cooking modes. So in this case we've got convection combined with microwave as well. The other option as well in this model is microwave combined with grill. So we've got 6 combination modes in total. The first 4 here are microwave and convection options at various different powers. And then the last 2, you can see the icons change, are microwave and grill. You've got 6 in total. To give you some examples, with microwave and convection, that's really good for cooking things like shepherd's pie, cottage pie, casseroles, stews, really large bits of food. Grill and microwave is really good for things like fish fingers or fries as well. That's really great. If you want more information about the best kind of foods you can cook using each of those combi modes, do have a look in the operating instructions. Let's have a quick look as well at accessories when it comes to combination modes. So because we're just using combi modes, not the air fry mode at all, you just need your enamel tray and the wire rack when you're using combi modes. And if the food is a little bit smaller or not particularly high, you can pop it on the wire rack with the enamel tray beneath. But for example, if you want to cook a whole chicken, or a big pie or a stew, you can pop that straight on the enamel tray, and the enamel tray goes on your glass turntable. So that's it when it comes to accessories and combi modes. We've had a chat about the combi modes themselves. As I say, for more information, do head to the operating instructions. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.